All right, looking at conjunctions and disjunctions. These can drive some people a little batty, but yeah, I tend to like them. So we've got Q or R. So Q we know to be true. So I'm just gonna write T. That V, it means or, so we only need one of them to be true. Right away, I can look at this and say this is true. But since we're finishing this out, we've got true. So true or true, that means that we've got true statement. 28, R is true. And, we have I sometimes do that. It shouldn't be an A. It is an and conjunction though. And then we've got Q, which is true, or, and then P is false. All right, the grouping symbols, just like in arithmetic, it tells us to do that first. So true or false is going to be a true statement. So now that leaves us with true and true. Since both of them are true, then that statement is true. And 29, I don't love putting equal signs there. I should say implies or means. All right, we've got not Q, so the opposite of Q. Since Q is true, the opposite is false. Or P is false. False or false implies false. Two wrongs do not make a right. All right, and then we've got, again, in grouping symbols here, we've got R, which is true, or not Q, which is, since Q is true, not Q is false. This is in grouping symbols here, so true or false, that's true. True and P is false. Oh, we need them both to be true to mean trueness, so we've got false here. So true, true, false, false. 31 and 32 are the real thinking problems. This is kind of leaning into that 6, 7, 8 type of world. So I'm telling you that the value of this statement is true. What do I know about P and Q? All right. Since it's an and statement, conjunction, we need both of them to be true for the statement to be true. So that means that not P is true, which means that P must be false, because I need the opposite to be true, and Q must be true. And then for 32, again, I've got a statement that is true, but this is the negation right there. So I actually need the statement without the negation to be false. Since it's an or, for an or to be false, both statements must be false. So Q and P are both